Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and before we go any further, I want to first tell you to please stop buying courses and prompts to learn how to use ChatGPT. Because on this page, you're going to see our brand new web app that instantly gives you ChatGPT superpowers by writing all of your prompts for you, so that you can take full advantage of this powerful AI technology without spending hours learning how to write prompts yourself or buying useless Excel sheets of prompt packages. Our web app instantly turns you into a ChatGPT expert in under 2 minutes by following 3 simple steps. In step number 1, you just install and activate our Chrome extension app. You can literally do this in under 2 minutes, and it's like the scene from The Matrix when Neo gets plugged into the training machine and instantly has all kinds of knowledge uploaded to his brain. Step number 2 is to open ChatGPT and prepare to witness awesomeness. And step 3 is to let our app write all of your prompts for you for all your marketing and business needs. And the best part is that from the moment you completed steps 1 and 2, only about 3 to 4 minutes have passed, literally. And here in step 3, you are now an instant ChatGPT expert, just like Neo when they loaded the Jujutsu disc into his brain. You are now equipped with all the done-for-you prompts you need to have any kind of content written for you. Because here's the cold hard truth, ChatGPT is extremely powerful, but it also has a steep learning curve. There, I said it. I said what most marketers will not tell you. ChatGPT has a steep learning curve. The technology is undoubtedly powerful, but the average person does not possess the skills to use it to its true potential. Could anyone quickly use it to write a funny story to impress your friends? Yes, of course. Could anyone quickly use it to get an answer to an extremely complicated question? Yes, of course. Could anyone quickly use it to write lyrics to a cool song that you can record using an AI voice? Yes, of course. But what about using it to write you content that actually puts money in your pocket? What about using it to actually grow your business? What about using it to grow your clients' businesses? What about using it to get more traffic, leads, and sales? That is when things really get complicated. That's when real skills are needed to harness the true power of ChatGPT. But it should not be that way, right? What's the point of having access to such a powerful artificially intelligent technology if it takes you hours upon hours to learn how to use it effectively? You should not have to buy several training programs only to still be left confused on how to use it. You should not have to buy a ton of prompt packages from vendors who just paid someone on Fiverr to write a bunch of simple prompts that a 5-year-old could write. A tool as powerful as ChatGPT should be easy to use for everyone. And that's exactly what we've done with our app. Introducing Done For You Prompt. Done For You Prompt is the first web app to truly level the playing field for harnessing the power of ChatGPT. While everyone else is trying to teach you how to use ChatGPT, we built an app that automates it. We've created the only web app that truly works alongside ChatGPT to ensure that you can use it to actually make more money without any of the learning headaches. With that being said, it's best to show you instead of telling you, right? So go ahead and check out the demo video posted below and see how our app supercharges ChatGPT for you. And once you're done doing that, make sure you take advantage of this limited time Charter members discount. We're running a huge special right now, plus including some very limited time bonuses. And of course, we also have a 60-day money back guarantee. Yup, we're so confident in how powerful and how much value Done For You Prompt can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we are doing a 60-day money back guarantee. Just show us that you put Done For You Prompt into action in your business, and if it doesn't simplify ChatGPT for you, we will without hesitation give you your money back. Hit the discount button below.